Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today we are going to learn a very interesting concept about time, that is time in AM and PM. Now you all know for watching a time we use a clock. The clock shows us a time in hours. And we know that there is 24 hours in a day. So in this topic we are learn about two new words, that is midnight and noon. Now what is midnight? 12 o'clock at night called midnight. When the 12 o'clock at night time, so that time is referred as midnight, and the daytime 12 o'clock called as noon. So the time between 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon is referred as AM, that is anti-meridian. Anti-meridian means before noon. So before noon, 12 o'clock, the time is considered as AM. There is a 12 hours between 12 midnight to 12 noon, and the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is referred as PM, that is post meridian, that means after noon. And from 12 noon to 12 midnight there is 12 hours, that means 12 and 12, 24 hours in a day. So the point to remember is 12 o'clock in a day is written as 12 noon, and 12 o'clock in night is referred as midnight. So from 12 midnight to 12 noon are the first 12 hours in a day. So we use the term AM with them. So AM stands for what? Anti-meridian. And after 12 noon to 12 midnight are the next 12 hours of the day. So we use PM with them. Means PM stands for post meridian. So this is all about AM and PM. Suppose example is, if you wake up 7 o'clock in the morning, so you can return it as 7 AM, and at the evening time of this 7 o'clock you can refer it as 7 PM. So on that note we will start our exercise 5.3. In that the first question is given, student of class 3 went for a picnic. Write AM or PM in the space provided. So class 3 students went for the picnic, and there some schedules are given that you have to write AM and PM according to the time given. In that the first is what? The student boarded the bus from school at 7. Boarded, to enter in the bus. So student enter in the bus, or students boarded in the bus from school at 7. So suppose students are boarded in the school from morning 7. So if we consider the 7 in the morning, so we use the term AM, because from 12 midnight to 12 noon there is the time AM. So we will write here AM. Next, B. The student reached the picnic spot at 10:30. Student reached the picnic spot at the time 10:30. So before 12, all the time of the morning is considered as AM. We will write the time in AM. So this is also AM. The student had lunch at 1 o'clock. So after 12 noon it started, right? So after 12 PM will start. So student had lunch at 1 o'clock. 1 comes after 12. So we will write here PM, because after noon to till midnight PM we write. The student went for the boat ride at 3 o'clock. So after noon time, every time is referred in PM. PM. So this is also in PM. The student were playing at 5. 5 o'clock they are playing. So after 12, whatever the time is there, after noon time, after 12 or noon time, the time is considered in PM. So we will write here again PM. The student boarded the bus to return at 7. So here is also PM, because it is after 12 noon time, that is PM. Now question number 2, write the time using AM or PM. So first is 4 o'clock in the evening. Evening time is given. So after noon time, whatever the time we consider in PM. So PM. Next, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. After 12 o'clock, all the time is PM. So here is also PM. Next, 9 o'clock before midnight. Before midnight, midnight 12 means at night 12 o'clock. Before time is given, that is 9 o'clock. So at night 9 o'clock is there. So that is also PM. 11 o'clock before noon. So when the noon is started at 12 o'clock, right? So before noon, 11 o'clock. What the time it is in AM or PM? In AM. So AM. 3 o'clock early in the morning. So after 12, that is midnight 12 to next day noon 12, the time is considered in AM. So 3 o'clock early in the morning. So that time is considered in AM. 7 o'clock in the morning. In the morning time, all the morning times are in AM. So all the morning times are in AM, and after noon time up to midnight, there is the time considered in PM.